In the Nmap lectures, we have seen no port scan, also known as ping scan, different ways of scanning ports, syn scan, also known as half-open scanning, TCP scan, also known as TCP connect scan, UDP scan, service and version detection, and operating system detection. Now let's deep dive in Nmap. The Nmap scripting engine, or NSE, is one of Nmap's most powerful and flexible features. It allows users to write simple scripts to automate a wide variety of networking tasks. Now, those scripts are then executed in parallel with the speed and efficiency you would expect from Nmap. Users can rely on the growing and diverse set of scripts distributed with Nmap or write their own to meet custom needs. So I'll show you a couple of things here. Scripts are written in the embedded Lua programming language, version 5.3. NSE is activated with the S_C option, or script if you wish to specify a custom set of scripts, and results are integrated into Nmap, normal, and XML output. The default place of Nmap embedded scripts is /user/share/nmap/scripts. NSE was designed to be versatile with the following tasks in mind. Network discovery. Now, this is the most powerful part of Nmap, right? Examples include looking up whois data based on the target domain, querying RIPE for the target IP to determine ownership, SNMP queries, and listing available SMB shares and services. More sophisticated version detection. The Nmap version detection system is able to recognize thousands of different services through its probe and regular expression signature-based matching system. But it cannot recognize everything. For example, identifying the Skype version 2 service requires 2 independent probes, which version detection isn't flexible enough to handle. Nmap could also recognize more SNMP services if it tried a few hundred different community names by brute force. But neither of these tasks are well suited to traditional Nmap version detection, but both are easily accomplished with NSE. Vulnerability detection. When a new vulnerability is discovered, you often want to scan your networks quickly to identify vulnerable systems before the bad guys do. While Nmap isn't a comprehensive vulnerability scanner, NSE is powerful enough to handle even demanding vulnerability checks. Remember when the Heartbleed bug affected hundreds of thousands of systems worldwide? Nmap's developers responded with the SSL Heartbleed detection script within, it was under 2 days. Backdoor detection. Many attackers and some automated worms leave backdoors to enable later entry. Some of these can be detected by Nmap's regular expression-based version detection, but more complex worms and backdoors require NSE's advanced capabilities to reliably detect them. Vulnerability exploitation. As a general scripting language, NSE can even be used to exploit vulnerabilities rather than just find them, but of course, it's not as powerful as exploit frameworks, such as Metasploit.